Hello guys, may sample question po tayo dito para sa Criminology Board Exam. Which cybercrime warrants authorizes a law enforcer to compel the disclosure of a subscriber information? Letter A, warrant to examine computer data. Letter B, warrant to search, seize, and examine computer data. Letter C, warrant to disclose computer data. And letter D, warrant to intercept computer data. Ang sagot po natin dito ay letter C, warrant to disclose computer data. Ang warrant to disclose computer data ay ito po yung warrant na kailangan ng law enforcer para ibigay po ng internet service provider ang kinakailangan na information ng kliyente nila para sa mga law enforcer. Kung wala po ang warrant to disclose computer data, hindi po pwedeng ibigay ng isang internet service provider ang subscriber information ng kanyang kliyente sa mga law enforcer. Ang warrant to intercept computer data naman ay ito po yung kailangan na warrant kung may i-intercept po ang mga law enforcer. Kailangan po ito kung may i-record po sila or i-monitor na communications between devices. Ang warrant to search, seize, and examine computer data naman ay ito po yung cybercrime warrant na kailangan ng law enforcer kung may i-search po sila, isi-seize or i-examine na electronic devices such as computer or cellphone in a particular place. Dito po sa warrant to search, seize, and examine computer data, mayroon po tayong tinatawag dito na on-site examination at saka off-site examination. On-site examination ang tawag natin kung yung item seized is i-examine po doon mismo sa place of search. Off-site examination naman ang tawag kung yung electronic devices seized ay dadalhin po ng mga law enforcer sa isang digital forensic laboratory para doon i-examine ang item seized na yan. And last, we have the warrant to examine computer data. Ito naman po ang cybercrime warrant na kailangan kapag ang isang electronic device ay acquired lawfully via lawful warrantless arrest or any lawful method. So take note po, kapag may nahuli po na tao and then may nakuha po sa kanya na electronic device, bawal po itong i-examine ng mga investigator kung walang cybercrime warrant. So kung i-examine po nila ito na walang cybercrime warrant, lahat po ng ebidensya na makukuha sa gadgets na yan ay hindi po tatanggapin sa korte because that evidence is incompetent evidence. So, ibig sabihin po, the evidence acquired unlawfully. So, para magamit po yung mga ebidensya na makukuha sa cellphone na yan or gadget na yan, kailangan po ng isang cybercrime warrant na warrant to examine computer data.